Hello, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Okay, make sure to smash that notification bell to get notified when I release the latest content. Okay, so we're going to basically go over this move. It's a bit of a wacky one for you, but we're going to get right into it. First of all, what you need to do, okay, you need to bring this all the way around your back. So if you look here, okay, I'm going for this bicep clutch here, the backwards bicep clutch. Okay. So once you've got that, yeah, you need to bring this hand here to this shoulder. That will cause a Nunchaku to jolt up to this direction. Push. See? From here, what you're going to do, this stick that's dangling down here, it's going to lock it into your chest temporarily. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to move this from your shoulder all the way up to here, because you're going to sweep this around the back of your neck, okay? So here, okay, yeah, look. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to bring this in a very straight motion, okay, like this, okay, and then you're going to take your hand and it'll wrap around the opposite side of your neck, so here, okay. So we go 1, 2, whoosh, 3. And that's basically the move, alright. It's a lot simpler than it looks, but I hope it helps you out, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for supporting me. My channel's almost 2 years old, and yeah. Next year is going to be spicy as, so make sure to subscribe. See you again soon.